First conversation.
Can I help you?
Pardon me.
Can I help you?
Oh, no thanks. I'm just looking.
The second conversation.
Can you show me some cameras, please?
Sure. What make do you want?
I'd like a Minolta.
This one's very good. It's a new model.
How much is it?
$180.
Oh, that's too expensive.
How much can you spend?
Around $100.
Here is one at $99.50.
Great. Can you show it to me?
The third conversation.
Good morning. Good morning. How may I help you?
I'm looking for a textbook.
What's the title?
Instant English. Do you have it?
Yes, it's over here.
How much is it?
$12.
May I see it, please?
Sure, there you go.
Thank you.
Your English is very good. Are you studying it?
No, I'm teaching it.